Ladies and gentlemen, it's Saturday. This is a pie. My name's proV. Jen's behind the camera.
Hi guys.
And I fulfill my obligations. I honor my, what did you call it?
You lost.
I would honor my lost?
Your loss.
I would honor my loss. So guys, without any further ado,
Let's go out into the yard. I don't want it on the porch this time.
God, this is gonna suck. I got it up my nose last
Guys,
time.
pardon the weeds. I haven't gotten out here to get them pulled up yet.
You got a nice
but
fire pit though.
yeah, go on.
Ah, the walk of shame. Is this the red mile? The green mile?
Yeah. I don't know the music to that, but I would sing it.
Is that what it is? The green mile when they walk to the electric chair?
I don't know. Yeah.
Is it?
It is, yeah. Okay, you stay there. I'm gonna go on that side. Stay there.
God, dude.
And I'll go on this side because I don't want it to get in the neighbor's yard. Okay.
Do you want to like
Fucking rocks
do you
are-
want to give me like a countdown or something?
I can. Yeah. Okay, ready? Wow,
Yeah.
it looks like it's gonna rain.
I hope it does. Oh, it's supposed to rain, yeah.
Nice. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Blast off. Woo! Wow, we did blueberry this time, guys. How you like that?
Jen, I'm gonna get you.
Blueberry.
You better run.
Hey,
You better run.
I didn't do it to you. Your people did. Not me. They still love you though.
Why am I holding this shit still?
All right.
Film it. Film
All
it.
right, guys.
Film it.
I got it. Okay?
You got me?
Yep, I got it. Got it all.
Everything?
Even the dog shit in the yard. Yep, I got it. Okay?
Why are you so adamant about shutting off the camera so fast?
I'm not.
Like, this is a fucking happening, bro. Ah, it's in my eye. All right, guys. Well, you know, what else is there to say? Thank you so much for all the support. My name's proV.
I'm sorry, guys. I can't not laugh.
Not bad, guys. All right. We will see you guys soon. Well, I guess take it back, proV, in the studios. Bye.